Do you meal prep? I always have such a better day when I do, because scrambling to throw something together right at lunchtime can be pretty bleak. That's why I love having these air fryer sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts in the fridge. You can throw them together with your favorite cooked grains and this amazing blender lemon tahini sauce for a super satisfying lunch that you can make in advance and eat all week long. If you like this recipe, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just toss your sweet potatoes into your air fryer basket and spritz them with oil. Make sure that you use a pump spritzer like this, not an aerosol sprayer, because the aerosol can damage your basket. Add some garlic powder, toss it together, and air fry, shaking halfway through the cooking time. Ooh, they're starting to get nice and brown. Now add your Brussels sprouts to the basket and spritz them with oil too, and sprinkle on even more garlic powder. Toss that together and air fry again. Sprinkle on some soy sauce for moisture and throw everything back in the air fryer one more time. Meanwhile, make your super quick tahini dressing by combining tahini with lemon juice and water, soy sauce, hot sauce, garlic powder, and fresh ginger. Blend that up until it's completely smooth, and your sauce is ready. When the veggies finish cooking, divide them between your meal prep containers with your whole grain of choice, then slather on that dressing and sprinkle on green onions. This recipe actually makes enough for 4 meal prep containers, but my kid lost one, so we only have 3. Of course, you can also dish this up into bowls right away and serve it for lunch or dinner. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this meal prep. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!